Hey guys, so I have this one here, a K5 Premier electrical pressure washer from Karcher. So it was leaking a lot of water, so I took out the wheels, everything out. It's pretty easy. Then I took this out, like all this, 1, 2. So I took this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts out and took some parts out. Like this one was on this 2, I mean. Then there was 2 for this one and 2 for this one. So I took these parts out, and then take this back cover. You have to take all this out, like what, all of them. You take them out, so it's gonna pop out really easy. Make sure it's not connected to water or electricity. Then I took this part out from here. It was here, exactly right here. So just take it out, and then this one comes out easy because it was like inside. So then this one, let's see, this one was here, this one was here, this like pipe was coming here, and these 2 pins were holding it in place. So you can see there, this is where the leak was. So I took those 2 out, take this one out, and basically have to buy a new one, a new pipe, like this hose or whatever it is. And there is a O-ring right there, also should be changed. I bought it already, the O-ring, this one, but I'll try to change only the O-ring, because I think the problem is in the O-ring. It was like old, probably 5 years or so, and I'll see if it's leaking. If it's not leaking, just by changing the O-ring, then I'm gonna just change the O-ring. If it's leaking, then I'm gonna also change this one. So that's it. That's how you fix the leak on your Karcher K5, I believe. Premium, yeah, premium. So yeah, everything else is pretty clean, dry. You don't have to disassemble anything, basically. Just take this one out, and that's it. So yeah, choose this one. I'll leave the part numbers in description, so you can find them easily. It took me some while to find them, but I found them. So yeah, that's it. Peace.